I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on your 4Runner. First, let's prepare for the task. Park your vehicle on a flat surface, approximately 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is accurate and the fuel tank is at least half full. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape. Finally, clean your headlight lenses to ensure the light beams are clear and precise for the best adjustment. Now, let's mark your target on the wall. Measure the exact distance from the ground to the center of each headlight. Transfer these measurements to the wall, using tape to create two distinct horizontal lines. Next, measure the distance between the centers of your two headlights. Mark this width on the wall, drawing vertical lines that intersect your horizontal marks. These precise guides will help you achieve perfect alignment. With your wall marked, it's time to locate the adjustment screws. Open the hood of your 4Runner to get a clear view of the headlight assemblies. You'll typically find two screws for each headlight. One screw controls the vertical adjustment, usually positioned at the top or side. The other manages horizontal movement. If you're unsure, your vehicle's owner's manual will provide specific locations for these crucial adjustment points. Finally, let's adjust those headlights for optimal visibility. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, turn the vertical adjustment screw until the top edge of the headlight beam aligns with the lower horizontal mark on the wall. Then, adjust the horizontal screw to center the beam between the vertical lines. Repeat this precise process for the other headlight. Once both are adjusted, take your 4Runner for a drive on a dark road to confirm the perfect alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.